Another triple-digit day. I'm Chief Meteorologist Amber Sellens with your most accurate forecast. 2018 now in third place, or will be rather, tomorrow when we make it up to 127 days so far this year in the triple-digit heat. Again, today was the 126, but we have a forecast in the triple digits for you tomorrow and Saturday too before we start to cool things down. Here's a look at your valley planner. 70s early on, mid-80s at 9, mid-90s at 11. Then we'll go up into those sizzling triple digits between 1 p.m. and 5 p.m. tomorrow, with those temperatures dropping into the 90s after sunset around 7 o'clock tomorrow evening. Skies stay clear here in the valley tomorrow, and temperatures will hit 103 in Mesa and Scottsdale, 104 in Gilbert and Tempe, and 99 degrees up in Cave Creek and Carefree tomorrow afternoon. For the West Valley, Avondale, 105 for your high, one of the hottest spots across the entire Phoenix metro. Laveen, Glendale, Peoria all at 104, and Buckeye tomorrow at 103 degrees. Lows for us in the 70s, up north 60s in Sedona and Kingman, and about 20 degrees colder than that up in Flagstaff with a low of 41 overnight tonight. For Heber and Show Low, low 50s under clear skies overnight, and sunshine statewide tomorrow with highs at 82 in Heber, 91 in Winslow, 79 in Flagstaff, and triple digits up and down the Colorado River Valley. So again, the heat is on heading into the weekend, but by the end of the weekend, massive changes rolling in as we track low pressure moving in from the west, tapping into remnants of Hurricane Rosa and bringing that right up into our state. So we are looking at widespread rain in the forecast Monday night and Tuesday. So those 2 days now are going to be ABC 15 weather action days with that threat for the wet weather and the potential to see some flooding, with latest models showing anywhere from about an inch or two of rain across central Arizona. Breezes pick up as well, and temperatures drop into the 80s early next week. We'll see upper 80s Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, and a slight chance for isolated showers continuing through Thursday. It all begins Sunday evening as we see that 30% chance for rain and all that moisture start to move in.